Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for your home entertainment setup. The LQKUMJG Wall Mount Bracket, compatible with a wide range of soundbars and speakers from Samsung, Sony, LG, Vizio, Bose, JBL, and many more. If you've ever struggled with finding the perfect spot for your soundbar or wanted to improve your audio experience, this might be exactly what you need. The LQKUMJG Wall Mount Bracket is designed with versatility in mind. It fits most soundbars, making it a universal option for nearly any brand you might own. One of its standout features is its depth adjustability, ranging from 3.5 inches to 6.3 inches, which allows you to perfectly position your soundbar either above or below your TV, depending on your setup. This means you can create an ideal listening environment without compromising your living space. Durability is a key factor when it comes to wall mounts, and LQKUMJG doesn't disappoint. Constructed from thickened reinforced steel, this mount can support speakers weighing up to 30 pounds or 14 kilograms. That's plenty of strength for most standard home theater soundbars, ensuring your audio equipment stays securely in place. Mounting your soundbar on the wall offers more than just a clean aesthetic. Elevating your soundbar enhances sound projection, delivering a clearer, more immersive audio experience. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or listening to music, positioning your soundbar correctly can make a noticeable difference in overall sound quality. Installation is surprisingly straightforward. The package comes with all the necessary hardware and detailed instructions, allowing you to set it up quickly without the need for professional help. You can adjust the bracket easily to suit your space, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced users. Another benefit of this wall mount is its versatility of use. It's suitable for home, office, or public spaces, letting you create a high-quality audio experience wherever you need it. Its sleek black design complements any decor, adding both functionality and style to your entertainment setup. In terms of dimensions, the LQKUMJG Wall Mount Bracket is compact, measuring just over 5 inches in width, 3 inches in depth, and about 2.5 inches in height. It weighs just over a pound, so it won't feel bulky or intrusive once mounted. Despite its lightweight frame, it maintains the robustness needed to securely hold your soundbar. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, versatile, and easy-to-install wall mount for your soundbar, the LQKUMJG Wall Mount Bracket offers excellent value. Its universal compatibility, adjustable depth, and durable construction make it a smart addition to any home audio setup, helping you get the best possible sound performance from your speakers. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our detailed product insights. See you in the next video.